Many of you would have read the book titled Atomic Habits. I came across it also and finally thought of giving it a reading, and I really realized it's quite an interesting book that's really worth reading. And those of you who have already read it certainly know what it has, but whereas the rest of you, I certainly am going to encourage you to give it a reading. Go slowly, try to absorb everything that is there because it teaches you the basic concept, which is don't try to target the goal, rather try to develop a system within which you have some specific set of habits that are very small, very miniature kind of habits that we simply can overlook because they do not look like as though they're really important. But gradually and steadily, if you are consistent and if you keep on doing those things again and again, you're going to start seeing the difference that they're going to bring within your life. The basic thing that this book teaches you is being consistent and trying to focus more on developing a system instead of just focusing on the goals or the objectives that you have set for yourself. Because the moment you have achieved your goal, your life will become purposeless again. You will return back to the set of bad habits that you already had earlier. But if you are concentrating more on developing a good system, that system will retain throughout life. Whether you achieve the goal or not, those set of habits will always remain inside you. As I'm still going through the book, there is a lot more to come. As I'm proceeding ahead, I'm going to share some more interesting videos regarding that book also.